All right, welcome to number 2. Here we're going to explain how to do this problem. I'm just going to first put a parenthesis around that so you realize that's question number 2, and it has nothing to do with the math that we're going to be doing. All right, so this problem, the variable's in the numerator, and the entire side on the left here is divided by 2. Well, the inverse of dividing by 2 is multiplying by 2. So if we do that on both sides, the whole point of doing that now is to cancel the 2's out. All right, these are inverse operations. The division and multiplication cancel out. Oh, that's my dog. Hi, Oki. All right, those cancel out, so we're left with 6 minus 1p equals 18. Some students just right away switched these. They switched that to p minus 2. Well, you can't do that. That's subtraction is not commutative. You can't just switch the order on subtraction, so we got to leave it as is. All right. If you did want to switch the order, you could say like negative p plus 6. That would be okay because we've kept the sign that was originally in front of the variable or the number with it, and you have to do that. All right, so down here, this 6 is technically positive, so the inverse of adding 6 would be subtracting 6 on both sides. All right, and so we end up with a negative 1p equals 12, and we have to isolate the p, so we have to divide by a negative 1. The mistake I saw most common on this question is a lot of you forgot to include this negative sign when you simplified. And I think if you put the 1 here, it helps avoid that mistake. All right. So the final answer would be p equals a negative 12, not a positive 12.